Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
One fine morning, it all started with this pineapple, but the quest was for a breakfast. And then followed more fruits. Not enough, but more than enough too. Now what to make with them for breakfast today was a larger question. So I decided to make fruity Daliya porridge, a fresh fruit loaded breakfast with each spoonful of different fruity, juicy, flowing flavors. Diabetic friendly, weight loss friendly, nutrients and antioxidants loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, may he wash away our assumptions and presumptions and bless us all with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now let's start with the apple. De-seed, cut, cube or dice the apple and add to a blender. Blend the apple into a fine puree and move it to a freezer immediately till required to be used. Now, set up a cooker, desi ghee pre-melted as much as you want, but try and not exceed the limit also. Now add the porridge or Daliya and stir well continuously to avoid burning of the porridge. This is very essential and it must be done with care. Slowly the fragrance begins to fill the air and the color changes to reddish brown. When it does, keep stirring and a beautiful nutty fragrance begins to fill the air. But keep stirring, otherwise it will burn. Now look at that, porridge is done. But wait, add water from any natural source, and water should be 3 times the amount of porridge, and stir well. When done, pink, rock or Himalayan or any natural salt, cinnamon and jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sugar, and stir lightly and shut the cooker and cook for 10 minutes or the first whistle, as ladies would say, and allow it to lose its steam and cool down a shade on its own. Do not force the steam out. Remove the lid of the cooker and check if the porridge is done. Look, it looks well done and what a beautiful fragrance. There you are, it's beautifully done. Now for our next step. Set up a kadai, skillet, wok, anything of your choice or even a fry pan. Add the porridge and full tone or full fat milk, which is the same amount as the porridge, and stir well to mix well. Mix well, stir well, and when done, add the apple puree that we had made, and again stir well and cook till desired consistency is achieved. And what a tremendous fragrance, beautiful. And switch off the flame and the heat and allow the porridge to lose its heat and cool down a shade. There, look at that, it's beautifully done. Now time to plate and serve, and there's Lovely, isn't it? What a fragrance. And garnish with sliced, cubed, diced or grated fruits of your choice. And serve and enjoy with all, including all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.